So, good afternoon, students. We are going to start the new chapter, that is projection of straight lines. So, we have seen till now how to draw the projections of points. These are the 5 cases. First is that a line which is perpendicular to either HP and parallel to VP. Second case is a line which is parallel to both HP and VP. Third is a line which is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Fourth is a line which is inclined to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. And fifth case is a line in which the line is inclined to both the planes, that is horizontal plane and the vertical plane. So this is the first case, and that a line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So here if you see, uh, this is a line AB. So it is perpendicular to this horizontal plane and it is parallel to this vertical plane. Okay. So if you see from the top view, this will be a point. So the projection of A will be A and projection of B will be the small b. So it will be denoted with a point. And if you see from this side, so it will show the front view. So front view will be made on the vertical plane. So the projection of A will be A dash or A prime and B will be B dash. Okay. So when you open this figure or this plane in this direction downward, so we can draw this XY is a reference line. We will draw always like this. And then we will draw this. So this A front view will be shown like this and the top view will be shown like this. So it is the easiest case you can understand. Suppose I say the line AB is 4 centimeter in front of VP, in front of VP. Okay. And point B is 3 centimeter above HP. So how to locate this? So this is 3 centimeter. So that means this distance is 3 centimeter. And it says it is 4 centimeter in front of VP. So this is 4. So when you will see in the projection, then this will be 4 centimeter. And this will be
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. Okay. So I think it is clear to know everybody now. Okay.
Sir, when we will open it, it will be get opposite, just opposite.
You try to imagine this, na? It is very clear. So you when you open it up, so this distance, this will be because this is parallel. So this distance is also 3. So that's why it is drawn on VP. And when you see this, so this distance is also 4. This distance is 4. So that's why you have drawn it here. Okay. Now, the second case, a line is parallel to HP. A line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. So this AB is a line. So you see it is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. So again, when you will open this up, if you see from this side, the projection of B will be B dash, projection of A will be A dash, and if you see from the top, then we'll get the top view. And the projection of B will be small b, and projection of A will be small a. So you have to be careful for these notations. The top view will be represented by the small letter, okay, and the front view will be small letter prime or small letter dash. Okay. So now when you open it up, so XY is again a reference line. So this you can write, it is a reference line, and this when you open it up, so this line AB is here, so it is the top view, and this line is the okay. Now if I say the line AB, if I say line AB is 4 centimeter in front of VP, and 5 centimeter above HP. Okay. So when it is 5 centimeter above HP, so it is 5. Okay. And it is 4 centimeter in front of VP, so it is 4. So if you have to draw this, so this will be how much? This will
5
be
centimeter.
5. Okay. And this will be 4. So I think now the things are clear. सबको clear हो गए?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these cases are simple. Now next is the third case. A line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So a line, it is inclined to HP. So in the true length, in the projection, in the true length, we will be denoted this theta will be when we will giving the inclination with HP. So always remember this inclination with HP. So this is standard. So you have to remember like this. Okay. And phi will be the case. We'll see in the next slide. This will be the inclination with VP. Okay. So here it is given a line is inclined to HP. So it is inclined at an angle theta with HP. So this line AB is there. And it is parallel to VP. So it is parallel. You see, it is parallel. So when you will see from this side, so a front view will be drawn, and front view of this will be B dash and A will be A dash. And this will be at an angle theta. Okay. So now you see it is inclined in HP, but this theta angle is drawn here. How to draw this, we will learn in the next slide. And if you see from the top, so the projection of A will be small a and the projection of B will be small b. And this will be a straight line only. Okay. So when you open this up, so again this will be a reference line. Reference line you have to draw. Okay. And then you have to draw this AB and this theta. You have to draw a, when the distances are not given, you can draw this line anywhere. And you can mark this angle theta and you can measure this length. If the length of the line is given, so you can measure the length and you can draw this. And then you will draw the perpendicular. You will draw the perpendicular. So it will be AB. Okay. Now if I say question is like this, a line is 6 centimeter long. ठीक है? Parallel to VP, inclined at 30 degree with HP. ठीक है? Also it is given point A point is 2 centimeter above HP. Point B is 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter, whatever it is, above HP. ठीक है? Also, you can mention the line AB is 5 centimeter away, or away नहीं, in front of VP. Okay, so this will cover everything. So first of all, what we'll do, we will draw a reference line, that is X and Y, of some suitable length. Yeah, we can draw it 8 centimeter or 5 centimeter depending on. Okay. So now it says the line 6 centimeter long, parallel to VP and inclined at an angle 30 degree. Inclined at 30 degree. So that means the line is at 30 degree. But where to draw? Because he is given the point A is 2 centimeter above HP. So that means this distance is 2. And the point B is 4 centimeter above HP. So this is 4. Right? So that means if the angle theta is not given, you can locate this. So this will be what? This will be A dash, and this will be 2 centimeter. Okay? And this point will be equal to B dash, and this will be 4 centimeter. Now you can join this, but suppose the location of point is not given, the angle is given. So what you will do? You will draw this as 30 degree, right? And
Yes, sir.
you can find this AB length, you can measure as 6 centimeter. You got the point? सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद आपने यहाँ से you have to draw the perpendicular from here. ठीक है? Now it says the line AB is 5 centimeter in front of VP. So that means this is 5 centimeter. ठीक है? So line this is 5 centimeter. समझ गया डिस्टेंस ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है. तो हमने क्या करना है? वी विल लोकेट ए पॉइंट विच इज एट डिस्टेंस 5 सेंटीमीटर, and we will locate a point which is at 5 centimeter. Okay. We will draw a line. So where they cut, so this will be the projection AB. So these line will be dark, and this will be dark, and other will be light. So this is how a problem will be made. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Suppose मैं कहूँ कि भी line is parallel to, it is parallel to VP. Suppose I say the line is parallel to HP and it is inclined with VP, so that will be the fourth case. तो ये समझ में आ गया? आगे चलें?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this is a case, a line which is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So now you see it is inclined to VP. So first of all, you note here, we will always use the phi for inclination when the line is inclined to VP. ये सब छोटे क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा सकता है आपको. Inclined to VP. Okay. Or let me write it. इसको मिटा के लिख देते हैं. It is inclined to VP. ठीक है? So now you see here, the projection of A is A dash here, projection of B is B dash here. So this is front view. So when you see from the top, So it is A here and it is B here. So when you open this up, so a image will form like this. So here also how we will start? We will draw a line parallel at some distance if it is not given. So we will draw this angle will be given. So we can draw this angle. We draw this angle. Okay. And we can draw a line and we can cut this length AB, which is the length given. Then we'll draw the perpendicular. We'll draw the perpendicular, and at some distance, if it is not given, we can draw this line. So you see it is exactly opposite to the procedure we have adopted in the previous question. ठीक है? So इसका अगर हम we want to do a question, if we say the point, line AB, in this we don't give the length. AB is inclined with VP at 45 degree. Okay? So one thing is given, AB is inclined at 45. The point A, 3 centimeter in front of VP. Point B is say 5 centimeter in front of okay? A is 3 centimeter in front of VP and B is 3 centimeter in front of BP. Also, we'll say point A and B 4 centimeter above HP. Okay? So this is the data given. So how to draw this problem? You see here. First of all, we draw a reference line, say XY. Now, we'll start the problem from here that AB is inclined with VP at 45. Okay, but now the location of A and B is also given. So it says that point A is 3 centimeter in front of VP. So 3 centimeter in front of VP. So we will mark a point here, which is 3 centimeter. We'll mark a point here, say like this. So this point, when you open it up, so it will be point A. It is given 3 centimeter. Okay. So you will mark this with the line. So this line is for the dimension only. Now, the point B is 5 centimeter in front of VP. So point B is 5 centimeter in front of VP. So this is 5 and this is 3. Right? So this you can write. Say this point is B. So this becomes the 5. This will be 5. Right? So now the location of point A and B have been obtained. So you draw a line parallel to the reference line and you draw this angle. So this should be 45. Okay. It is not 45, but it should be 45. So now you see the length of the AB is not given. but we have drawn. Okay. So now you draw the perpendicular in this side. Okay. And then it says point A and B is 4 centimeter above HP. So that means this is 4 and this is also 4. So that means you will write here 4 and you will draw a parallel line. So it is 4. So this will be our firm line. So this will be A dash and this will be B dash. So is that clear? ये क्लियर हो गया बेटा? आगे चलें?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो हमने 4 केस क्लियर कर लिए, ठीक है? So till this point it is okay, ठीक है? Now we'll go to the fifth case. So it is the last case that it says that a line is inclined to HP and VP. Okay, so it is slightly difficult to imagine, but you have to imagine. Okay, so it is inclined like this. So if it is parallel, then it should be like this. If you see, if it is parallel to VP, then it should be like this, but it is inclined to VP also. So this angle is there. And it is inclined to horizontal plane also. So this is there. Okay. So in this case, we will use an angle alpha and beta. Okay? Instead of theta, we will use angle alpha and beta because the image which is formed, it is a projection. It is not the actual image. Okay? The actual length AB ka projection will be A dash, B dash or AB. If they are not same, that means the line is inclined. Okay? So if it is parallel, then the projection of AB, line AB, length of AB should be equal to the projection. So this you remember. ठीक है बेटा? So how to draw this? So here we will draw in such a way. Yeah. You see this point A, the position of point A will be given, position of point B will be given. So this angle alpha will be given, this angle beta will be given. So beta is the angle which is inclined with VP. Alpha is the angle which is inclined with HP. Okay. So it is, you can note here to see HP is rotated by 90 degree afterwards. So it is like this only. So when you rotate this, so it will be like this. Okay, this will be that. So we will solve some problem. So this case will be clear then. So now these are some important points you noted down. Orthographic projection means front view and top view of the line AB. Okay, as they are shown below with their apparent inclination. So alpha and beta, they are known as the apparent inclination. So this you have to remember. So here the top view AB is not parallel to XY. Top view AB is not parallel to XY. Hence it is corresponding, front view AB is not showing the true length. So there are two words, true length and the true inclination. So true inclination were theta and phi. And true length was the original length of the line. ठीक है? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, true length is the same if AB, as I told, they are parallel. Then projection of the line AB will be equal to the length of the line. Then it is the true length. If it is not, then it is not that, then it will be projection. ठीक है? So they have introduced the three terms alpha and beta, which are the inclination, which are known as the apparent inclination. Alpha is used for the horizontal HP or you can say the top view, and beta will be used with the front view. ठीक है? So front view आपका नीचे ये दिखाया, खींचना यहाँ है, बनेगा ऊपर. ठीक है? So this you will understand here. Now what is the procedure? How to draw? So this you understand. This is very important. Note the procedure. When the front view and the top view are known, how to draw the true length. ठीक है? So you see the front view, this front view is known and this top view is known. So how to draw this? So top view के लिए this beta angle is given. Okay. So what we do, we draw a line and we draw, this is the exact length of the line. This angle beta is given. So you can draw. आप draw कर सकते हैं नहीं?
Yes, sir.
You draw first a reference line like this. Then you draw a horizontal line which is parallel to the reference line. Then you draw a angle beta. ठीक है? So this will be given. When you draw beta, then you can draw this. So this will be AB. Clear or not? उसके बाद you draw this with a compass. So it will cut here. This point will cut here. From here you draw the projectors, that is perpendicular line. So you have drawn this. So here the point A इसकी position दी रहेगी. ठीक है? And the front view is also given. So the front view position, so you will draw, that means the locus will be here. I will say the point B dash is lying here. So this B dash will be given. So when you draw it, so this will become the front view. Nahi? So
Yes, sir.
this will be the location. So what we'll do, where this line will cut, so this line will cut here. Just a minute. The location is somewhere here. This B dash. Okay. So this is a front view is given. Okay. So from here a horizontal line is, so this will cut here. This projector will cut here. So this point will be B1. And when you join this, so this will be the theta. And this will be the true length of the line. Okay? This will be the true length of the line. And you see it is longer than the true view or the top view. Okay? So this is how, when the projections are given, that means when front view and the top view are known, how to draw. This is the method. समझ में आया या नहीं आया?
Yes, sir. आ रहा है समझ में.
यस सर आ रहा है.
आ रहा है ना? क्योंकि ये पहले आप ये ड्रॉ कर लेंगे ए बी, ये ए डैश बी ए बी आपको दिया हुआ है. सपोज इसकी लेंथ दी हुई है से 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इंक्लिनेशन इज गिवन, सो यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस. Then after
Yes,
this,
sir.
you put a compass here. You put a compass here, so you rotate it like this. So the point B will be obtained, B2. Then you
Then
draw the
perpendicular.
draw the perpendicular. And before that, it is known to us. Front view is known because top view and front view is given. So top view की length दी हुई है, front view की length दी हुई है. So इसका we'll draw the locus. That means यहीं पे कहीं lie करेगा. So we'll draw a parallel line and we will draw, this length is known to us, A dash B dash, because front view is known. So where this line will cut, so you will obtain this point. So you join this point, so that will give the true length. And you measure this inclination, so that will give the true inclination with HP. समझ में आया नहीं आया? So we were to determine this. And we were given this. इसकी छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम मैं दूंगा आपको, so you can do this. आगे चलें, आगे भी करेंगे अभी आज ही प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now it is the second step. Note the procedure. When the true length is known, in the previous slide the front view and the top view was known. How to find the true length? So this was our question. समझ में आ गया? So this
Yes,
was
sir.
our question. So here it is different. When the true length is known, how to locate the front view and the top view? So this is the procedure. This you note it down. Okay? So how to do this? The true length is given. So true length is given means this phi is given, okay, and this theta is given. So true length is given. This is the true length. So you can draw this true length. Location of point A and B can be located. A की position दी हुई है, A dash की दी हुई है. So you can draw this. This theta is given and phi is given. So you can draw the true length. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
this
sir.
point is known to us now. So what we'll do, we will draw the perpendicular and then we will extend this. So this point will come. From here, we will take this angle. Okay? We will take this arc. So this locus is known because this point is known to us. So we will draw a parallel line. Okay? So where this arc will cut, you will get the point B. Point A is known to us. So this will be the top view. Okay? And this angle will be the phi angle. This angle is the phi angle. Similarly, to draw this, the front view, you have to draw the AB. Okay? So you have drawn this perpendicular, you have extended it, you have drawn this. This point B was known. Okay? So it cuts here. So you can draw, this is the front view. So this angle will be the alpha. Okay? So you have determined alpha, you have determined beta, and you have determined the front view and the top view. समझ में आया नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
क्यों
Yes,
बेटा?
sir.
आ गया ना? ये जब कर
Yes,
लेंगे
sir.
तो आप फिर आपको क्लियर, कुछ ऐसी डरने
Yes,
वाली
sir. जब खुद से करेंगे तो क्लियर हो
हाँ,
जाएगा
ये हो
पूरा.
जाएगा. ये आपके पास वीडियो रहेगा, रिकॉर्डिंग है पूरी पूरी, तो यू कैन लिसन इट अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है? चलो, नाउ दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स जो हमने पढ़ा है, उसकी समरी है. द ट्रू लेंथ इज डिनोटेड बाई ए बी एंड ए डैश बी डैश B1. ठीक है? सो इसको डिनोट करने के लिए ये ट्रू लेंथ का ये नोटेशन याद रखना आपने. एंगल विद द ट्रू लेंथ विद HP इज थीटा. एंगल ऑफ द ट्रू लेंथ विद VP इज फाई. ये भी हमने बताया ना. दीज आर द 10 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स विच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. Then angle of the front view with XY, that is the reference line, is alpha. Angle of the top view with XY is beta. Length LTV, that is the length of the front view. Okay? And the length of the front view, this will be A1 1 dash. Now position of A is distance of A and AY from XY. Okay? So this you will remember. ये वाली A और A dash की कैसे निकालनी है. The true length is never rotated. So this is important. The true length is never rotated. ठीक है? यहाँ देखिए true length नहीं rotate करी इसने. But this front view is rotated. Front view, top view is rotated. So it is an important point. True length is never to be rotated. It is a horizontal component is drawn and it is further rotated to locate the view. Okay? Views are always rotated. So that means true lengths are not rotated. Only views are rotated. Okay? So note this. theta and alpha, they construct with A dash, that is the top view. Phi and beta, they are constructed with A, that is the top view. This is the front view. ये A dash कहाँ आता है? फ्रंट व्यू में आता है ना. ये देखिए A dash फ्रंट व्यू में आया. And theta and beta, phi and beta, it is in with the top view. So it is with the top view. Okay. B dash, B1 dash is on the same focus. This B dash and B1 dash, they are on the same focus. And B and B1, B and B1, B and B1, they are on the same locus. So ये सारे points आपने याद रखने हैं. Clear हुआ नहीं हुआ? आगे चलें?
Yes, sir.
So this is a very important slide. So you can remember this again and again. ये 4-5 बार वीडियो देखोगे तब क्लियर होगा आपको. ठीक है. Now this is a problem. इस प्रॉब्लम को आप समझ लीजिए. ठीक है. So here we will solve 2-3 problems so that the things are clear to you. So problem 1, a line AB is 75 millimeter long. Okay, a line AB is given and it is 30 degree and 40 degree inclined to HP and VP respectively. So it is given 30 and 40 given respectively. Okay? And A is 12 millimeter above HP and 10 millimeter in front of VP. Draw the projection. Line is in the first quadrant. So this is given. So you have to imagine that this is, to start with, you have to imagine that it is in the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. So line is inclined 30 degree inclined to HP. So it is like this. It is like this. So you have to remember that slide which we have shown. Okay. So now you see, first of all, these are the steps given. Draw the XY line and one projector. So this is XY line and any projector. These are the projectors. These vertical lines, they are the projectors. So this we say projectors. Projectors. So you can draw them anywhere. Locate A dash, it says 12 millimeter above HP. So 12 millimeter above HP. So that means this will be 12. ठीक है. A point locate हो गया. ठीक है बेटा.
Yes, sir.
And 10 mm below XY line. So this is 10 mm in front of VP. So 10 mm in front of VP, ये वाला आ जाएगा. So ये वाला कहाँ खींचेगा? नीचे. So this is 10. So first of all, यही आपने ड्रॉ करना सीखना है. समझ में आ गया नहीं आया? Then
Yes,
from
sir.
here, you draw this horizontal line, this line and this line. Okay. Now take the angle 30 degree angle from A and 40 degree from A. So ये कहता है ना, it is inclined 30 degree to HP. So we'll draw theta as 30 degree. HP वाला ऊपर खींचेगा and this will draw as 40 degree. Clear? So you have drawn A dash, you have drawn this line, you have drawn this line. Or should I draw it? मैं ड्रॉ कर करके बताऊं आपको? ये समझ में आ रहा है?
No, sir. समझ में आ रहा है ऐसे.
समझ
ठीक
में
है?
आ रहा है.
तो ये वाली लाइन आ गई आपकी. Now it says इसकी लेंथ कितनी दी हुई है? So we have joined this A and A dash. ठीक है? It is clear. Draw the horizontal component of true length from AB point and name it as 1. So how to draw this? So length is given. Length AB is given 75. So draw the horizontal component of this. ठीक है? So आपने क्या करना है? This you have to draw this as 75. So this you have to draw as 75. ठीक है? तो इसकी true length दी हुई है हमें. Right? So this true length is given, this is given. 75. So what we have to find? Draw the projection. That means we have to draw the top view and we have to draw the front view. So for doing this, what we do now, we will draw, we got this point. When we have drawn this AB1, so we draw this perpendicular and we draw it up to here. Okay? And from here, you take this as radius, and you rotate this arc. So you will get this point B dash. Okay? So where it will cut, so you join these points A and B dash. So this will give you the front view. So it is, you see, drawn with the dark. आपने ऐसे ही करना है, कलर्ड नहीं ड्रॉ करने हैं, बट द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइन विल बी लाइक दिस. ये लाइन देखो बारीक है, ये लाइन बारीक है, ये लाइन बारीक है. सो जो आपने डिटरमिन करना वो डार्क आएगा HB पेंसिल से. ठीक है, डबल स्ट्रोक.
Okay,
ठीक
sir.
है. नाउ अब आपने टॉप व्यू ड्रॉ करना है, तो आप क्या करोगे, यहां से यू विल ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है, एंड दिस विल कट हियर. यहाँ पे आपने इसको रोटेट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, इसको आप, क्योंकि फ्रंट व्यू के नीचे टॉप व्यू बनेगा, तो आपने इसको सीधा यहाँ पे काटा. सो यू हैव जॉइंट दिस, सो दिस विल बी द टॉप व्यू. समझ में आ गया नहीं आ गया?
Yes, sir.
इसका ये वाला एंगल कौन सा होगा? दिस एंगल विल बी अल्फा एंड दिस
Yes, sir.
एंगल विल बी
Beta.
बीटा. ठीक है, सो फाई के साथ बीटा बनेगा, थीटा के साथ अल्फा बनेगा. सो आई थिंक दिस प्रॉब्लम इज क्लियर टू यू नाउ. आगे चले बेटा.
Yes, sir.
सो सेकंड प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है.
Sir, we have to write these steps also.
नहीं, यू नीड नॉट टू राइट दिस स्टेप. एग्जाम में स्टेप नहीं लिखने हैं, सिर्फ
Okay,
आपको
sir.
ड्रॉ करना है. इसको सही ड्रॉ करोगे तो इसके नंबर मिलेंगे. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
So problem 2 is that a line AB is 75 millimeter long, makes an angle 45 degree with VP, and so you see only one angle, while its front view makes angle 55. So it makes an angle with VP. So it is phi is given. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये VP के साथ बना रहा है. अब फ्रंट व्यू दिया हुआ है, so this angle is what? This angle is alpha, isn't it? Because it is the front view which is making. ठीक है. Okay, so now the end A is 10 millimeter above HP and 50 millimeter in front of VP. यहाँ पूरा नहीं आया है. In front of VP. Line is in first quadrant. Draw its projection and find the inclination with HP. So it is same way. So you have to draw. First you have drawn this XY. So draw the XY. Draw one of the projector. So you आपने ये draw कर लिया. So this projector you have drawn. Locate the point A dash, which is 10 millimeter above HP. So this is 10. ये कितना दिया हुआ मैं? 10.
10 millimeter.
ठीक है. And above XY and top view as 15 millimeter and A and HP and 15 mm in front of the VP. So this is 15. The top view है ना? So this is
Yes, sir.
15 given. So this 10 and 15 is known to you. So you have got these 2 points. Now it is given the front view makes an angle 55 degree. So front view makes an angle here. Okay. So front view is given, it is 55, you will draw. Okay. But it is not known that where up to where it is drawn. So we know this is the line. So what we'll do here, it is given that AB line is there and it makes 45 degree with VP. So this we will draw as 45, and we can draw this true length because it is given to us. How much it is given? It is given as 75.
75 mm.
हाँ, so we can draw this. That means ये point B1 आपको मिल गया. B1 मिल गया तो आपने horizontal line draw कर ली. Horizontal line draw कर ली. ठीक है. So horizontal line draw करने के बाद it is known to you. So now you draw this perpendicular and it will come here. ठीक है. And you rotate with this as radius. You rotate this. So this line is known to you because ट्रू लेंथ आपको मालूम है यहाँ पे, this is 75. So you know this. So when you rotate this, this point will cut. So you can join this. So this will be the 55 degree. This line is known to you. So this length is known. So you draw a perpendicular from here, and where this will cut, this will be the top. ठीक है बेटा, समझ में आ रहा है नहीं?
Yes, sir, आ रहा है.
Yes, sir, आ रहा है.
ठीक है. So these are two basic and simple problems. ये आपने अपने आप से ड्रॉ करके देखनी है, सोल्यूशन एक तरफ रख देना है, और फिर मैं जो ट्यूटोरियल दूंगा आपको, इसी तरह की 3-4 प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, इसकी हेल्प लेके आपने वो ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now this is the third problem. Let me see how many sides are there. Okay. So then we can do third problem. So it says that the front view of the line AB, front view. So it is view. So that means it is theta phi. Okay. So front view is theta. Sorry, front view is alpha beta. Okay. Front view and top view is alpha beta, and the true length is theta phi. This is with HP, and this is with VP, and alpha is with front view, and beta is with top view. ठीक है, ये याद रखना है, जो मैंने ये वाला टेबल बताया था आपको, दिस वन. So this you have to remember. Okay. So and the true length is given as 55 long, while its top view is 60 degree inclined to XY line. If the end A is 10 millimeter above HP, ठीक है, and 15 millimeter in front of VP, draw its projection, find the true length and inclination of the line with HP and VP. ठीक है. So इसमें देखिए फ्रंट व्यू का मेजर दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, it is not the true length. So first of all, what you will do? Draw the line and one projector. So we have drawn the line XY and this projector. So this is the first thing. Now you draw this as 10 because it is above HP. ये तो आप remember याद ही कर लीजिए ना. And this you draw as in front of. So this you have drawn as 15
mm.
ठीक है. Now what else is given? So after that you draw this horizontal line. You draw this horizontal line. ठीक है. अच्छा. Now it says that front view of the line is inclined 50 degree to XY. ठीक है. So front view is inclined. So front view, that means this 50 you have drawn, and you have drawn this line. You don't know up to which point it goes. So it is a dotted line you have drawn. ठीक है. And then you can draw this from here. If you see what else is given here, it is given while its top view is 60 degree with the inclined line to XY. So it is 60 degree, it is given. Okay. Top view is drawn. So this line is known to you. So this is 60 degree. Okay. Now, so that means this 60 degree, this line is there. So locate the point 10 mm and point A dash. So you have located this. Second step over here. Draw the locus of these points. Locus of these points means this. So this will be the locus. Okay. Now the front view is measured. Here it is given, the front view is given. So this view we can draw as how much? 55. समझ गए? So this 55 is there. From here you have drawn this. So it has cut here. This point is known. From here you draw the perpendicular. Okay. So when you draw the perpendicular, so at this 60 degree, this point will be known to you. This point. Okay. So this true length, we will come to know the true length. Okay. Because this 60 degree is known to us. So similarly, draw the top view 60 degree, this 60 degree to the xy from A, projector, and draw the projector from B dash, okay? Locate the point B and join AB. So this point AB, this you join. Okay. Then rotate the views. So you rotate to find the true length A dash B dash. That is A, this one. So this is the true length you can know because you have to find. And then A dash B dash. So this is A dash B dash. Because the true length was not given here. So you have found this. Okay? So this is the third method. So now, as far as your course is concerned, only these simple problems are with you. So you can practice these three problems and I'll give you the more problems. Okay. Now next concept is the trace. What is the trace of a line? Okay. So these are the points of intersection of a line or its extension with respect with to the reference planes. Okay. So a line itself or its extension where it touches the HP, that point is called the horizontal trace, HT. Similarly, where it touches the VP, it will call vertical trace. Okay. So VT, what is VT and HT? So we say vertical trace and horizontal trace. Okay. So you can write here vertical trace, vertical trace, and this is the horizontal trace. Horizontal. So vertical trace, it is a point on VP. Okay. Hence it is called the front view of a point in VP. Hence it is a top view comes from the XY. So we will also name it as V. Okay. Horizontal trace is a point on HP. Hence it is called the top view because it is on HP we draw the top view. So it is a point on HP. Hence it is a front view comes on XY line we will call X. So we will solve one more problem and suppose first of all you learn this how to locate. So these are the steps how to locate VT. These are the steps. So you see here it is drawn with, so it is HT, horizontal trace. It is vertical trace. So a projection of vertical trace is on XY line, it is with V. The projection of HT line on XY is H. Okay. So you see how it is drawn. When we have drawn this front view, we will extend this line. So where it cuts, this will be the H dash. And we'll draw a perpendicular from here. And we will draw, similarly, we will extend this top view. Where it cuts, it will be V. So we will draw it here. Okay. So this you, so where it cuts, it will be the HT. Okay. And where this point cuts this line, so it is the VT. So you see the point H and V, it is always on the XY line. Vertical trace and V always in one projector, so they will be in one line. Okay. Similarly, horizontal trace and the H dash, they will be always in one line, so they will be on projector. The front view, H dash and VT, they will be always collinear. Similarly, the top view, V and HT, they will be also collinear. मतलब मैं होने करता हूँ अच्छा कोई नहीं, मैं क्लास ला रही हूँ, so steps to locate. So this is step, begin with the front view and extend the line up to xy. So this is the first step. So we have extended up to xy. Name this point as h dash. Okay, draw one projector from h dash. So you have drawn this. Now extend the top view to meet this projector. So HT is drawn. Similarly, to locate the VT, begin with the top view and extend this where it will cut the XY line and draw the perpendicular projector from the V. Now extend this V to meet this projector. Okay. So you see, you will always, these are the 4 points, 5 points which you have to remember. So you know now what is the HT and what is VT. Okay. So now this is a problem. This you will understand. Before this, I'll show you the last slide, I think. So as we have seen, there is a vertical plane, there is a horizontal plane, and there is a auxiliary vertical plane. So this we call as auxiliary vertical plane, and this is auxiliary inclined plane. Auxiliary inclined plane. Auxiliary inclined plane. So you see, we know now what is vertical plane. We know now what is the horizontal plane. If a plane is inclined to HP, okay, so it is the auxiliary inclined plane. Okay, so it is inclined with VP with angle beta, so it is auxiliary vertical plane. Okay, so inclination of auxiliary inclined plane with HP is equal to inclination of the front view with XY line. Okay, so if you see, this is a profile plane. So the vertical plane you know, horizontal plane you know. If this plane is perpendicular to VP and perpendicular to HP, then it is known as the profile plane. Okay. So details of this is not there in your course, so we are not taking it up here. You will study this in the degree course. Okay. So I think I have tried to cover whatever was there in your syllabus. So I am sure the things would have been clear to you. So thank you very much for your patience listening. So you can see these notes again. So thank you very much.